Alright, we're out here doing some Inception shit. Cause there's some fucking clouds over there recording. And they don't know I'm recording them recording. So like, that shit's the funniest shit ever. I'm recording them recording. You see that? You see that? They don't even notice. Car they didn't pay for? You didn't pay for that, bro. You're wrecking 17. You didn't pay for that. Gavin just pulled up, but he's an electrician, so he probably has money for parking. He's probably chilling over there. Go park over there, and then I'm gonna go get jumping. Never mind, there's Gavin right there. You just missed it, dude. What's up? There's some badass 17-year-olds flexing the cars their dads bought them over there. Except, does it mean after 6 it's not 90 minutes? Correct. Oh, then we should be okay, because in an hour and a half it'll be 6.
Hour it'll be 6, stop by, so you're good.
Well, shit, dog. Well, shit, dog. The spot's literally on the other side of this dentistry. Yeah. Yeah, that way's different with the metal.
Metal's not bad.
Nice. Well, that's not what you want to do. That's not bad. See, I don't have that kind of stuff. What do you think? So you got that. Another one of those ones left over. Let's go 180 at the end of the day. Fucking hesitate on which light to go to. Pretty much it, but I'm trying to stick it in your foot. Man. See, it's hard to stick though. Oh, challenge. How about in a minute though, we go see what they did over there. See if they changed anything. There it is. Laying on your arches a little bit, but like you stuck it though, good job. Bing. I'm gonna go kill you tomorrow, probably.
You know, we out here at the fountain, get some jumps in, and roll on to the next spot. You're up.
Gavin down there. Oh, and if you go right here, the risk is a little less because the slide. Nothing else to do but just a little slide crap. That one would be fucking nuts. Nothing else to do but just a little slide crap.